Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset your PowerPoint default settings. So let's start the video guys. First we need to close completely that PowerPoint application. Okay, just close all that applications project and application, then go to the search bar here and search for registry editor. Just go here. Okay, so now we need to go there second option, which is HK current user. Okay, here we need to go in this softwares, just expand that software, just click on this tiny arrow. Now we need to go in this Office Microsoft. Okay, just click on this Microsoft. Now we need to find the Office options, Office folder. You can see under the Office folder you can select your updated version. We have 16, and here select that PowerPoint. Don't select Power Query, just select the PowerPoint, right click on it and delete it. Okay, once you delete, just restart your computer and open your PowerPoint application here. So now you're able to see that it is restored all default setting. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.